Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Okay, today I want to discuss with you the small sample test. I want to continue the previous one of this statistic video only. Last sample test is completed. The 4 applications is completed. Today I want to discuss with you as a small sample test, that is n is less than 30. N is the sample size is less than 30. That is a t-test and chi-square test. The small sample tests are there. The first t-test, we are having 3 applications. T-test for population mean. I want to discuss in this video the t-test for a population mean. The next video I will make a equality of means and a paired t-test. Okay. Here the steps are there, 5 steps are there for 5 marks. This is also a 5 marks question only. T-test for a population mean. Same as the last sample test only, but the size is less. N is less than 30. The step 1 is same, that is a null hypothesis. One of the assumptions we are considering here, that is, it is denoted as H naught, mu is equals to a mu naught. Step 2, the alternative hypothesis H1, it is denoted as H1. ಎರಡು hypothesis ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಒಂದು null hypothesis, ಒಂದು alternative hypothesis. Okay, alternative hypothesis denoted as H1, that is mu is not equal to mu naught. That is a two-tailed test, that is mu is less than mu naught and mu is more than mu naught, that is a one-tailed test. This one is not equal to is a two-tailed test and less than and more than is a one-tailed test. Then step 3 is under H naught, the test statistic is t is equals to x bar minus mu naught divided by s by root of n minus 1. X bar minus mu naught divided by s by root of n minus 1. Here just you observe in the previous, now last sample test ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sigma or s, okay, sample standard deviation divided by root of n only we are considering, but here it is a n minus 1 and n minus 1 degrees of freedom. It is a independent constraints, that's why n minus 1 degrees of freedom. The step 4 is level of significance alpha is equals to 5% or 1%, and the critical values are from T table, from T statistical table. Okay, T table is there, in that we have to consider the critical values. Then step 5 is, that is a decision making. H naught is a accepted or H naught is a rejected. Okay, this is the procedure of t-test, small t-test for a population mean. First application it is. This is a first application. Then according to this application, if you know this procedure, you can calculate easily the problems. the ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯೂ ನಾಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ಎಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಎನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ, 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವರು, 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಎಚ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಚ್ ಒನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ assumption 2 assumptions 1 equal 1 according to a problem we have to consider it, then we are substituting it in the formula. Okay, just I will take any one example over here. Okay, here this is a t-test, small sample test, that is a samples of size is less than 30. Okay, the 3 applications are there. The first application, okay, then I will take it as a one of the problem here. The example 2 I am taking here. It is required to test whether those who practice yoga have an average blood sugar is less than 120. Average ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಮೀನ್ ಇದು. average ಅಂದ್ರೆ average blood sugar is ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 1 tail ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 120. ಅ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ 17 persons. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ 17 ಅದ. ಇದ 37 47 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು 17 ಅದ. 17 ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಅದು ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 17 ಈಸ್ ಎನ್. ಹೂ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡಾರಲ್ಲ 17 person ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಈಸ್ 108, ದೇರ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಈಸ್ 108 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್. ಇದು ನಾ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಎನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ. And standard deviation is 8, that is S is equals to 8. What would you conclude? Use 5% level of significance. Okay, what is given? Mu naught is equals to 120, N is equals to 17 and X bar is equals to 108 and S is equals to 8 is given. Then what they considered? H naught. First step. Average blood sugar is 120, mu is equals to 120. H1 is equals to average blood sugar is less than 120. Less than 120, that is mu is less than 120. Then less than clear ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಸ್ than ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Under H naught, the test statistic is T is equals to X bar minus mu naught divided by S by root of N minus 1. That is equals to with N minus 1 degrees of freedom ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನ ಹಂಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ X bar ಎಷ್ಟದ 108 minus 120 divided by 8 divided by root of 17 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಬಂತಿದೆ. 8 by 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 1 4 2s ಆತಿಲ್ಲ. 108 minus 120 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is 12. 12 divided by 6, 12 divided by 2 ಅಂದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ minus 6 is the answer. T calculated value is minus 6. Then level of significance alpha is equals to 5% is given in the question. Alpha is equals to 5%. Then degrees of freedom DF ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Degrees of freedom is equals to n minus 1, that is 17 minus 1, that is a 16. And the test is left tailed. ಹೌದಾ 16 ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 1 degrees of freedom. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. This one is. Then 16 we are considering, that is a less than ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 1 tail test 5%. This is that is a 1.75. 1.75. Okay. Here the 1.75 left tailed, that's why minus, okay, minus 1.75. Then the T calculated value is a minus 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1.75 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರ ಇದ್ರ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರ minus 6 ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. minus 6 ಒಳಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂತು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ H naught is a rejected. Conclusion, what is H naught is rejected? H naught ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಐತ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ H1, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರೇಜ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 120. Average blood sugar is less than 120. Okay, this is one of the problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅದಾವು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಮೀನ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಸೈಜ್ ಅಂದಾಗ you have to see the size and according to a size you have to take it. The one more example just I will show you here. The mean weekly sales of the Choco Bar in a candy stores were 146.3 bars. After advertising campaign, the mean weekly sales in 22 stores for a typical week increased to 153.7 bars and showed a standard deviation is 17.2 bars. Was the advertisement campaign is successful? ನೋಡು, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಮ್ಯೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ. ಇದು ಮ್ಯೂ 22 is n, 153.7 is x bar, 17.2 is s. Then alpha is equals to 5%. Okay, this is, if you know the data, you can calculate easily the problems. This is advertisement campaign is not successful. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ mu is not equal to the population mean. The population mean is equal. The population mean is not equal. ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay, the population mean is more than that. H naught is mu is 146.3. H1 is mu is more than 146.3. T is equals to x bar minus mu divided by s by root of n. Substituting all the values, n minus 1 degrees of freedom T calculated is equals to alpha is equals to 5%, and degrees of freedom n minus 1, 21 degrees of freedom. Then again you have to check it from table. You take a values, that is a 1.72. Then H naught is here also the rejected. Just you observe, this is the acceptance reason, this one is a rejection reason. This is 1.72 positive, but ನಮ್ದು 1.97 ಅದ. 1.72 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a accepted. 1.72 ಹೊರಗದ, that's why it is a rejected. Okay, just once again I will check all the model question paper. If any question is there, just I will check here. Second PUC statistic model question paper 2. Okay, the 1 mark 2 marks is over. Then come to that the 5 mark sums, vital statistic, index number, time series, then it is interpolation, extrapolation. Then 2 problems is from theoretical distribution. After that interpolation, 2 problem in theoretical distribution ಇರ್ತದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ theoretical distribution ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಇನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 40th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್ with a mean inner diameter is 2 cm. A sample of 10 tubes gives a mean inner diameter is 2.01 cm and variance of 0.04 cm is the difference in the values of mean is a significant. Just you observe, ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ 10 tubes ಅಂದಾರ. ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. 10 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು, ಟಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು. ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಮೀನ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇದು. ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇದು ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಗ್ಮಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು. ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 0.04. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಸ್, ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ 0.04 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಆಫ್ 0.04. ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಾ ನಿಮ್ಗ. ಓಕೆ, what is given? The given is here mu is equals to a 2 centimeter and n is equals to 10 tubes. X bar is equals to 2.01 and s square is given, that's equals to 0.04 is given. Then you have to take it as a s is a square root of 0.04 you have to calculate. Then H naught, the first one is H naught you have to take it. The population mean is equal to a the mean is equal to a population mean, that is mu is equals to a 2 centimeter. Then ಯಾವುದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮೀನ್ ಈಸ್ 2 centimeter ಅಥವಾ 2. ದೆನ್ H1 you have to take it less than more than ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. then you have to take it as a not equal to significant ಅಂತ ಐತ್ಲಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ mu is not equal to a 2 centimeter. The population mean is is not 2 centimeter. Okay, is not a 2 centimeter. Then third step, under H0 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 1 2 3 ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. 1 2 3 not a problem. Under H0 the test statistics T is equals to x bar minus mu naught divided by s by root of n minus 1. That is x bar is equals to 2.01 minus 2 divided by 0.2 divided by root of 10 minus 1 andre 9. Okay, then I will calculate here 2.01 minus 2 andagile 0.01 0.01. okay, then 0.2 divided by root of 3 means 0.067. then 0.01 divided by 0.067. the answer is 0.1492. then the fourth one is alpha is equals to, that is not mentioned here. then alpha is not given, then you have to take it. if not mentioned, usually in the exam they will mention the LOS, that is alpha is equals to 5%, and the degrees of freedom here only you have to take it. DF is equals to the n minus 1 degrees of freedom, that is 10 minus 1 9 degrees of freedom. then the critical values, you have to see from table. critical values 9 degrees of freedom 2.26 to 3.25. 2.26 to 3.25. okay, then you have to take a diagram. The diagram not carry some marks, but here the 2 point is bad. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. okay, here the 2.26 to 3.25. that is a one value only. 2 tail test 5%. okay, this is wrong. this one just I will take minus one value minus 2.262 plus 2.26. okay, then our value is 0.14 is a positive value. 0.1 this is a 0, then here it comes as a 0.14. okay, this is 0, this one 0.14, that's why our answer is 0.12 accepted. Then the T calculated value is 0.14 is inside, then H0 is accepted. H0 is accepted means that is the population mean is 2 centimeter. The population mean is 2 centimeter. Here in the question it is 256 page number. Exercise sum it is given, but here it is the variance is 0.004 centimeter square is given. But in the question paper 0.04 centimeter square, that is that we considered as a 0.04 centimeter. That's why the answer change ಆಗ್ತದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 0.04 centimeter ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ಇರೋದು 0.004 centimeter. Here also the H0 is accepted. The last marks is either H0 is accepted or rejected, ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು 5 marks up to this. okay, this completes the test for a population mean. If anything confusion, in this, message me. And this is also very easy. If you know all the four given data, then you are substituting and you are calculating. Okay. Then the next video I will teach you how to calculate the test for equality of means and pair t-test. Okay, students, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video.